Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Here we are, Paul's Monday market update number 210 for Monday, 12th of January, 2026. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a good start to the year. I hope, unlike myself, that you have managed to avoid this kind of nasty winter flu that's been going around. I've been fighting it off for the last 10 days, but we're here, we're okay. And we're ready for what is going to be another eventful week in the year. For those of you who are joining us for the first time, never really been here before, the Monday market update is just that. It is me flying through as much as I can cover in the next 25-30 minutes, focusing on strength and weakness within FX and indices markets, looking at some charts of interest, and then taking a look at the live markets. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It's just me sharing with you what I'm seeing and whether it has any benefit or help to you in your own trading and investing endeavors. As always, you are very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading and investing decisions. And if you want some help and support in making 2026 your best trading year, you can join the VTP Trader Accountability Group, basically a small group meeting every week to help you build discipline, accountability, and consistency in your trading endeavors. You can either ping me for questions, or once again, that QR code will take you to the page. And if we look at here, XLF, okay, which is it's the ETF for the financial sector. Anyway, as we've just seen, they're on Bank of America and JP Morgan. The ETF also reflects that kind of strong trend that we have. Okay, and certainly, kind of last week, if you look at that last week going into this week, that's the highest weekly close that we've seen on that. Okay, so that's definitely something of relevance and interest to ourselves. Okay, yeah, just a little bit of a gap down. Okay, expecting the pre-market, but not really a massive surprise. But the case of I'll be looking at here, that kind of $54, where is that going to sort of, from where we had it as resistance, will that turn into support? Okay, could we drift down to there? And then once again, it's a case of coming up with that 20. We're going to get an area of 54 and the 20 where it's a level that I'm of interest. Okay, if it turns into support, well then we push the highs. If it breaks, well then I look at us at 52, and then once again that big round number at 50. Okay, so as I said, I'll be intrigued to see what this chart looks like at the end of this week. That's why it's on my watch list to see how that plays out.